Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Gumeracha, and we're starting at the giant rocking horse.
Gumeracha is a small town in the Adelaide Hills, surrounded by vineyards, dairy farms, orchards and market gardens. It is 37 kilometres east of Adelaide.
Gumeracha is famous for being home to the big rocking horse, which according to the Guinness Book of Records is the largest rocking horse in the world.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
This lovely little town has a general store, hotel, cafe and homewares shops to browse in.
Today we climb to the top of the big rocking horse, hand feed the animals in the wildlife park and look around the toy shop. We then wander around Gumeracha on a self-guided heritage tour, looking at the historic buildings.
The big rocking horse is made of steel, is 18.3 metres high and weighs 25 tonnes. There are several viewing platforms, with the highest at the top of the horse's head and great views over the surrounding hills. You can wander through the animal enclosure and hand feed the kangaroos, wallabies, sheep, goats and alpacas. There is also a cafe, restaurant and picnic area. The wooden toy shop sells an extensive range of wooden, educational and Australiana soft toys.
As you wander around Gumeracha on the self-guided history walk, you will see the heritage buildings with plaques containing information on their historical significance. We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.